what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add Monzo card to Google Wallet. Just make sure that you have already downloaded Google Pay on your mobile phone. Then once done, just simply click on the Add a Card button. And from here, you're going to choose which type of card that you're going to add to your G Wallet. And all you have to choose is the one with GPay icon with the name Payment Card. And from here, we're just going to add our Monzo card just by clicking on New Credit or Debit Card. And from here, you have two options on how you want to add your card details. You can do it by just taking a picture or you can simply enter details manually. And in this page, all you have to do is accept the terms of agreement just by clicking on More and just click on Agree. And from here, all you have to do is just go through the verification process. You can easily choose text me a temporary code and a code will be sent to your phone, or you can also use a valid ID just to prove your identity. So that's how you can easily add your Monzo card on Google Wallet. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!